Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group YouTube channel. My name is Michael Edward. Paranati, I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. In case you didn't know, we're the fastest growing and highest rated premium online education platform that combines university level trading and investing courses, premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual coaching and mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We do day trading, swing trading, and also long-term investing. There's 9 professional traders with you every single day that are giving you guys all of their trade alerts, all of their analysis, sharing their screens, answering your questions. There's something literally for everybody here at True Trading Group. Now, why should you listen to anything that I talk about on this YouTube channel? Folks, it's because I didn't figure this out by watching YouTube videos or sitting in Discord chats. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my first job out of college, where they had me go through a training program before the fund let me touch $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened. And that was the Great Recession, the stock market crash, but it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I am the co-founder and the head trader of this platform that is True Trading Group. And along with the 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we have helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. We actually have members in 115 different countries, over 10,000 members from all over the world, from all walks of life. You guys are going to get all of our trade alerts, all of our courses, you get all of our tools when you guys join our platform. The mods and I have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions for roughly the last 4 years of just around 80%. So no, you shouldn't be listening to us because we're right 100% of the time. Nobody is. Yes, we're going to be wrong sometimes. Yes, we're going to have losing trades sometimes, but right a hell of a lot more than we are wrong, including today. Big day for members in True Trading Group. Now, if you caught my video that I posted on this YouTube channel just yesterday, I went over with you something very important that happened in the markets yesterday. And that was the Bitcoin ETFs started trading. Now, when you look back throughout history, I told you this yesterday. I told you when you look back throughout history, the launch of a spot commodity ETF in the past has marked the short-term top for the price of the underlying commodity. Now, I'm not necessarily calling Bitcoin a commodity. I don't think anybody really knows if Bitcoin is a security, is a commodity. I don't know, right? But you take a look at gold. When gold first had its spot ETF launch, gold rallied into it. Once it was launched, it was a short-term top in the price of gold. I told you this yesterday, that you could see a pullback in the price of Bitcoin on the back of these ETFs beginning to trade. It's a matter of function, okay? And it's exactly what you saw. Bitcoin dropping back underneath 44K today after going up and topping over 48K just the other day. I told you yesterday that, and listen, I'm not saying that I think that there's like this massive crash in Bitcoin. I actually think that the pullback that you get from this is actually a viable pullback, as I am bullish on Bitcoin in the future, like, more long-term, but short-term, it's a short-term top. And I talked to you guys about this yesterday. I told you yesterday that you should watch Coinbase for the short down to 130. It's exactly what I said to you yesterday on the video. I said 130 to 131 is the target for Coinbase. I said to watch for Coinbase to try to get back above the 140s and then bang, drop it down and then sell it down to this support level that we see here. That's down around 130. It's the 50-day moving average that you see on your screen right there. It's this previous little pivot point from here. And it's also prior support from there at the very early days of December. It's exactly what you got today. Was a triple-digit banger for put options for members in True Trading Group today on the back of this. And you can, guys, listen, don't take my word for it. You can go back and you can watch the video that I posted on here yesterday. It's right on this YouTube channel for you to see. And I told you very specifically that I'm going to be looking for this level that was broken, right? So you see this was broken. This channel was broken. Once that channel was broken, you see it started to act as resistance. And I told you guys now, watching for bounces into the low 140s and then roll it down to 130. This is a 15-minute chart. Let me clean this up for you just to make things easier for you on your eyes. I'll go to a 3-minute chart. Let me delete all this. Okay, and here you have it. Here it is. Look at this. It doesn't get any more clear than this. And for those of you that are, unfamiliar with why this is so clear, don't worry about this. This is all stuff you'll learn as a member of True Trading Group. So you can see a nice area of support there yesterday, and then that broke right? We had the gap down this morning. And then when you rallied back up, you can see, bang, that area then becomes resistance. The stock rolls itself back over and it never looked back. And right here on our watch list today, we literally said to members, short 141 in Coinbase. And then you have resistance all the way up to 144. So the area to get short on, to take the entry short was right here. And then your stop loss would be right here. And member stepped in, took that trade short, and you can see the rollover all the way down to 130. That's a 10-point move to the downside, 11-point move to the downside. And it was just an absolute beautiful trade. So if you guys were able to just watch my video from yesterday, I told you that this was the idea for us today, was our top trade idea for the day. I told you yesterday, go check it out, go watch it. It happened today perfectly, beautifully, executed inside of the TTG chat. Big day for members. So congratulations, guys, on the short there on Coinbase. What I'm going to say to you right now is don't take my word for what I just said to you. Maybe actually when you're done watching this video, go back and watch the recap video from yesterday and listen to me talk to you about Coinbase. Because I told you yesterday, look for Coinbase down to 130 and down to the 50-day moving average. It's exactly where the stock currently sits. And then think to yourself, how much money could you have possibly made from this trade if you had been part of True Trading Group and you were executing put options when Coinbase got itself up into the short zone above 140? And now the stock's sitting at 130. And then ask yourself, is that worth $3 to you? Because instead of you coming on this YouTube channel and just watching me talk about this stuff, and I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I don't just talk about what happened today. I tell you what I think is going to happen going forward. Like I did yesterday, I told you exactly what I thought Coinbase was going to do today. And that's exactly what happened. And we were able to make money from it. But instead of you watching it on a YouTube channel after it's already happened, or just seeing me tell you this is what I think is going to happen, begin to actually execute on these trades and these opportunities and capitalize on these opportunities yourself. I invite you to join our 7-day trial. Our 7-day trial does not include weekends or holidays. It is a 7 trading day trial. So you can join today, not worry about Saturday, Sunday, not worry about the markets being closed on Monday and be like, oh man, there's 3 days I'm going to miss right there out of my 7 days. It's 7 trading days. So your 7 days won't start until Tuesday. Go to ttgthree.com. Enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, pay the $3. We charge $3 for our trial. Why do we do that? We maintain a very high quality chat room during the day. There's thousands of people in there that are focused on making money. I do not want to jeopardize the quality and the integrity of our chat room by allowing people to just come in totally for free and just start spamming a bunch of crap and being distracting during the day. By charging $3, it just ensures you're a real person and that you are serious enough to put in your credit card information to pay $3. That's it. There is no automatic renewal. There is no reoccurring payment. There is no automatic upgrade where you don't just join the trial and then if you forget to cancel, we charge you for an annual membership. No, you have to manually yourself pay for an annual membership. If you do absolutely nothing after your 7-day trial is over, it just expires. You're never charged anything again. It'll be the best damn $3 you ever spent in your life. This cost me more than $3. You've all paid more than $3 for a cup of coffee before. This will be the best damn $3 you've ever spent in your entire life. Imagine if you were able to catch a triple-digit gain on Coinbase put options today. Would that have been worth $3 to you? Of course it would. Go to ttgthree.com. That's TTG3 spelled out .com. Name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, pay the $3, get your butts inside of chat with us on Tuesday. There's also some sample courses that are part of your trial. So maybe spend some time over the weekend. You were off on Monday. Spend some time, maybe go through some of those sample courses, get yourself fresh and ready to go on Tuesday. It's earnings season. We kicked off earnings season today with the banks. You're going to get a whole lot more earnings next week. It's going to be a big week. The next couple of weeks are going to be big because it's earnings. All right. So it's going to be a big week coming up. So make sure you're in chat with us. Be in chat with us. Another huge trade for us today, guys, was Tesla. And this is just, you want to talk about a grade A setup. Let me explain to you guys a grade A setup. Grade A setups are the highest probability of success that you can find in the chart. And it's not that a specific chart pattern or a specific indicator increases probability, because there's no such thing as a pattern or indicator that's right 100% of the time. Okay. It's our job as traders to weigh the probability of the quality of the setup. So what do we like to look for to determine an A plus quality setup? It is when there is a combination of a technical catalyst or a technical setup that coincides with a fundamental catalyst. And you got that today on Tesla. Tesla has been very, very weak to start off the new year. It has not participated in the market's move to the upside. To the contrary, it has gone straight down for the last 2 to 3 weeks. And then today was the straw that broke the camel's back. You had, some competition numbers in China that came out, days ago. But then today, Tesla announcing that they were actually shutting down production at their Berlin plant because of everything that's going on in the Red Sea. That hurt the stock. It hurt the stock and it gapped it underneath a big level. And here's previous support. You can see this previous previous resistance here. Once you got above it, that level became support. And then today you gapped underneath it. So this level, once you gapped underneath it, now we have a technical setup where we know this is a key level. You can see how many times the price reacted at this level. So we know it's a key level. We're gapping underneath it. So now we can say, okay, let's use that level as resistance. But how do we have even more confidence in that level being resistance? The fact that there's a negative fundamental news catalyst on the stock. So when you have that, you expect here's a resistance level. There's a news catalyst that's negative. So when that level is tested, it should hold. That's when you get the combination of technical and fundamental. Those are the setups that we like best. That is why this was one of our other moderators, Shai, one of her top trade ideas of the day today was this Tesla trade. She absolutely destroyed this trade on put options with a damn near perfect top tick entry. And here, let me show you the charts. Here's that level again. I didn't move this line. That's yesterday's low. That's the same level. So there's that same line, right? I'll go back to the daily chart. There's that same line, right? There's that level. We go to the 3-minute chart. There's that level. So right off the open, we had this gap down. We pushed higher, and she stepped in and bought put options right there on Tesla was the entry for the puts. You ran back and tested this level one more time for good measure. And again, showing you that this level is resistance and the rest is history. Then the stock just completely rolled itself over down into the rest of the day. I mean, look at this beautiful move to the downside. Just that's it. And this was another beautiful trade for us on the back of a technical setup coinciding with a fundamental catalyst. And listen, if some of the stuff that I'm saying to you right now is kind of like over your head, you're not really following or understanding what I'm saying to you, don't worry about it. I promise you guys, you will learn this stuff as members of True Trading Group. But I'm not even asking you to join a full annual membership right now. Come see for yourself as a trial member how we operate, how we trade, how we send out our trade alerts, how the moderators are with you from pre-market into the close. We're not gone after an hour and you'll have to fend for yourself. Download our mobile app so you can get the real-time push notifications when our moderators enter and exit positions so you know exactly what we are doing. You have a busy schedule and a full-time job, don't sweat it. 82% of our over 10,000 members have full-time jobs and work over 40 hours a week. The rest of them are full-time traders. If they can do it, so can you. And they can do it by getting those notifications on their phone as soon as one of our mods enters or exits a position. We're not scalpers where we're in and out within seconds or minutes. Our day trades last hours. Okay, Shai got in this trade at like 9:40 a.m., okay, and was taking profits at 2:30 in the afternoon, right? Our swing trades last days. Our swing trades last days, our day trades last hours. So if you guys can just get notifications on your phone, which I know you all can, you can take advantage of everything that we've got going on. Join the trial. Go to ttgthree.com. That is TTG3 spelled out.com. Enter your name, email, phone number. Click yes, I want this. Fill out the form. Pay the $3. Get your butts in chat. Remember, weekends and holidays do not count against your 7 days. It is not a 7 calendar day trial. It is a 7 trading days trial. Your 7 days will start on Tuesday, but you have immediate access to your trial member dashboard when you sign up. But you will get 7 trading days with us. No automatic upgrade, no automatic renewal, one-time payment. That's it. Now, I want you to also set your reminders for Monday, because Monday evening at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to go live on this very YouTube channel where I'm going to share with you my top trade ideas for the week. Now, yesterday, I shared with you my top trade idea for today, and look at what happened with Coinbase. All right, that was top trade idea of the day, and it was an absolute beauty. So you're going to want to make sure you tune in. I'm going to give you my top trade ideas. I'm going to answer questions from all the viewers, and we're going to get ourselves ready for the start of earnings season. Okay? So set your reminders. Make sure you subscribe to this channel first. Then click on the notification icon to make sure you're notified when we go live or when I post another one of these videos. You never want to miss out on these things. You miss out on these videos, you miss out on money-making opportunities like Coinbase. And again, don't take my word for it. Go back and watch the video yesterday. I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. You'll see me yesterday break down the entire trade for you and tell you my target's 130. The stock right now, as we are making this video, is at 130 and 15 cents. Join the trial. Get your butts in chat. See for yourself. Don't just listen to my words. See it for yourself in real time. TTGTHREE.com. And then set your reminders for Monday evening when I'm going to break down for you guys my top trade ideas for the week. All right. So congratulations, guys, on what was a fantastic way to close out the week. It's just another day of triple-digit gains, another week of triple-digit gains. We are riding one hell of a hot streak. We are on pace right now for the month of January. We are on pace to break our monthly record. Our monthly record is 28 triple-digit gains alerted inside of True Trading Group. And this is all the mods. Remember, there's 9 professional traders that are with you, right? They all send out their trade alerts. The most we've ever had in 1 month is 28, and that was in November. We came close in December. We had 27. Here we are in January. We are well on our way to breaking that 28 record. So get your butts in chat, join the trial, and start catching some of these trades. All right. I'll see you guys all on Monday evening for the live stream. TTGTHREE.com. Join the trial, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on notifications, make sure you never miss out on these videos or on the live streams. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Good luck to all of you that have a team that's in the playoffs this weekend. We got some phenomenal games going on this weekend, so good luck to all of my football fans out there. If you guys have your team, sadly, I'm a Giants fan. They're not in the playoffs, so I can watch as a neutral fan and just enjoy some really good football, as I hope you guys all do too. I'll see you all on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care, guys.